everyone. In the last lecture, we presented all the important functionalities in our project, and the most important function is the recommend function, because it's the one that holds the recommendation logic, and it will return the list of movies based on the user preferred categories. So the first question that we need to ask ourselves, how we can model a user and also a movie. And the best answer, or the best way we can model a user in Go or any other entity, is using a struct. A struct is like object in JavaScript. It's the blueprint for an object. It lets you group related data into one unit. Let's jump to this code and try to create a user struct. Actually, I created a new project, and inside the struct, inside the curly braces, we will add the field for our user. And a user will have a name of type string and a preferred categories. Is of type a slice of string. But maybe what we can do here is that we can define a type category of type string, and so we can use it here instead. This way it's more meaningful and it's more cleaner. The second struct that we have in our project and we need to create is the movie struct. A movie will have a title of type string and a category. It will be of type category. This way we create a struct in Golang, and what we can do is try to create users and movies using the struct that we created. Let's create a function name, and let's create a user. To use a user struct to create a user, we use the struct name followed by curly braces, and we use the fields in the structs to give the values. I will give it as a name Jack, and for the preferred categories it will be a slice of category, and inside I will add science fiction, for example, and for example comedy. These codes tell us that a user is declared and it's not used. Let's ignore this for now, and let's try to print the detail of this user. I will add username, it will be user.name, and I will using a for loop, we can loop over the categories. Obviously, using the range function, we can loop over the preferred categories and print them into the console. And there is actually a way in Go if we do have a variable that we don't want to use it later and to ignore that little error, we can use an underscore instead. Let's open our terminal and we make sure that we are in the correct directory. Let's run our file, and here we go. We have the username is Jack, and the user preferred categories are science fiction and comedy. That's it for this lecture. Let's take a quick break and see you in the next lecture.